Hello, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'll be showing you the difference between single stitches and shortened stitches. You can see that the singles build the V's straight in the pattern, and here the V's are kind of forming little crosses because the stitch kind of twists due to the method that we use to do it. So it's a bit different, but the result is completely different. We will do this with Woolly Hugs No Bleed. It's out of 74% cotton and 26% silk, and I will be using my needle size 4mm today to be able to show you this. And we have 125 meters or 138 yards and 50 grams or 1.8 ounces. So first I'll show you the single stitch so that you know exactly what we are doing different in the shortened stitch. So go through, and then you can take your thread through. Make sure it's from under like this. Then take through the loop, and again take the thread going from under and pull through. I'll do it one more time so that you can see the whole thing. So as you can see, it's really simple, and that's a regular single stitch. Here, the shortened single we do by going through and taking the thread from going from above. So a moment ago, it was from under, and now it's from above. This is how we get the change to a little cross when we work it like this. So let's do it one more time together. So just the first time from above, the second time we actually do it as we usually would, from under. And that's how we get the difference in the pattern. This also ensures that the pattern is a bit tighter and denser, so if you're looking for something like that, this would be the method to do it. And that's the difference between singles and shortened singles. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know by shooting a thumbs up and subscribing for my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye!